Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back my new tutorial video of TIA portal. So first of all, in this video we are discussing about selecting a device, open a project and selecting a multiple device, what device you want to select in TIA portal. So first of all, I'm going to open TIA portal. You can see TIA portal my now is open and I'm going to select a project one which is created in my previous videos, and we can directly configure and device from there. You can see I'm selecting a controller S71200 and 1214 cc. It is my favorite 1215 DC. So it is my favorite. Now you can see project has been selected, device has been selected. So now I'm in the forward. You can see device has been selected and device has been opened. So if we want to deselect a device from directly from where and directly select a device from add a new device. So what device I want to use as 1200. So PMDP, you can say that's how I select an S71200. You can see now it's 71200 is there. Place in the next video I discussing place and modules. So you can see I'm selecting on a schematic panels which is 7 DP basics. Any HMI you want to use, you can select multiple devices from there, so schematic PC system, whatever you want. So thank you very much for watching my videos. In this video we are discussing selecting of our PLC and HMI. So I'm just going to next and finish. Just you can see now HMI has been selected at KTP 700 basic. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, click the bell icons and make comments for learning purpose. So whatever you want to learn in TIA portal. Thank you very much.